Okay, I'm observing the planet Jupiter with the Skywatcher Evostar 90, and I'm using a Baader Q-Turret, so it gives me the ability to use multiple eyepieces. This is the Starguider ED 8mm. I tested it against the Nagler 7mm, Nirvana 7mm, and I found that I prefer the image of this one. First, it doesn't have any ghost images. You see a halo with this one and with the Nagler, both of them. With this one, no halo, pure image. It's almost like orthoscopic. Then I tried it with the Nirvana 4mm, really ghost image in the center. You can see probably my glass is not very clean, my lens is not very clean here. But although I've cleaned it before, I always see that halo. With this one I don't see the halo, so I may get the 5mm Skywatcher. So I heard a lot of good things about the 5mm one. This is perfect, I'm telling you. The image contrast and the halo free and no ghost images or anything. Perfect, you can see it through the lens and stuff. Really good, and one of the best eyepieces I have. Nagler is 5 times the price of this Nagler 7. Really nice eyepiece. Okay, I'm now using the Vixen SLV 5mm and I compare it with the Nirvana 4mm. And this is the ED, Starguider ED 8mm. In the image of this and this, which one is more clear? The bands, cloud bands on the Jupiter are more clear in this. And I can actually better focus and sharper image. This is not bad, don't take me wrong, but I prefer this one now. In this condition, with my eye and with this telescope and these atmospheric conditions, I prefer this one, this SLV. I may try this Starguider 5mm. When I buy it, I will just test it, but at the moment 4mm, no, it's not good for me. Let me just bring the Nagler 5mm just to see how it is. Okay, here I'm using the Skywatcher Nirvana 4mm against the Nagler, Televue Nagler 5mm, and again comparing it with the Vixen SLV 5mm. So in this situation, what I can see is that the image in the Nirvana is slightly bigger, it's 4mm because the focal length of it. In the 5mm Nagler, they are very close together. Although the image, of course, is a bit smaller in the Nagler, but the image quality very close together. I cannot differentiate between any of them. I prefer although the Nirvana in that sense because the roundness, the edges of the planet is more clear. And third comes second I should say, comes the Vixen SLV. Nagler and Nirvana are very close. SLV is behind them in that sense. Of course, the weather was getting really bad. It was full of moisture. The telescope was wet. So probably I should repeat this experiment again and just leave it for a drier night that we don't see. The moisture probably caused a lot of those ghost imaging and halos around objects, bright objects like Jupiter, because probably my objective lens of the refractor telescope was covered with the water. Probably I didn't check it, but I can guess that that is the case because the body of the refractor anyway was wet, as you can see. And I really prefer this rack and pinion focuser. I don't like the Crayford focuser. I wish it was not invented. It's such a pain to use. It's not as accurate as the rack and pinion. Rack and pinion give you that assurance, that feeling of the focus that will not change, it will not move. The Nagler 5mm shows this image size, and the Nirvana 4mm will be bigger. Of course, the clarity will not be as clear as this one, but anyway, atmospheric conditions dictate what we will see and how we will see it.